ग्रामे अस्मिन् नरोदलभ्यो स्वाहा
विधेमते यच्छञ्जयोश्चमनुराजये पिता
तदस्यामतवर्तनवरुद्ररेरिष स्वाहा
ॐ मानस्तो
सम्नमस्मेत अस्तु रक्षागणाधिभूम्या तेषागो सहस्रयोजने मधन्वानि तन्वसि स्वाहा
रक्षय ऐलमृदाय युधः तेषां सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि स्वाहा
ॐ ये कुलविद्धानि प्रचरन्ति चक्रावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
निवेदावमितस्य भूयाकं सस्य दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषां सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि
नमिषवस्येभ्यो दशप्राजेभ्यः दक्षिणादशप्रदेशे शरीराणि च मे स्वाहा
क्रीडाच मे मोदश्च मे गानं च मे जनिष्यमानं च मे सूक्तं च मे सुहृदं च मे वृत्तं च मे वेद्यं च मे भूतं च मे भविष्यं च मे सुखं च मे सुभगं च मरद्धं च मरध्यश्च मे लुप्तं च मे लुप्तश्च मे मतिश्च मे सुमतिश्च मे स्वाहा
श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे गन्धा च मे धत्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सेनं च मे नयश्च मरुदं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातश्च मे दीर्घायत्वं च मे नभिन्द्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगन्ध मे शयनं च मे सोषाद मे सुदिनं च मे स्वाहा
ॐ पूज्य मे सोदता च मे भगश्च मे रसः मे सपेतश्च मे वृषश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जयत्यं च महोद्भिद्यं च मे रयश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टं च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुत मे प्रभुत मे बहुत मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णं च मे पूर्णतरं च मे देहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे भाषाश्च मे दिलाश्च मे बुद्धाश्च मे धल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे असुराश्च मे प्रियन्नवश्च मे नवश्च मे श्यामा जम इंद्रश्च मे भूषाय इंद्रश्च मे बृहस्पतिश्च इंद्रश्च मे मित्रश्च इंद्रश्च मे वरुणश्च इंद्रश्च मे पुष्टाय इंद्रश्च मे धाताय इंद्रश्च मे विष्णुश्च इंद्रश्च मे अश्विनौ च इंद्रश्च मे मरुतश्च इंद्रश्च मे विश्वे च मे देवा इंद्रश्च मे पृथिवी च इंद्रश्च मे अंतरिक्षं च इंद्रश्च मे योश्च इंद्रश्च मे दिशश्च इंद्रश्च मे मोर्धा च इंद्रश्च मे प्रजापतिश्च इंद्रश्च मे स्वाहा
अगोषश्च मे रश्मिश्च मे नाभ्यश्च मे धिपतिश्च बहुपागोषश्च मे अन्तर्यामश्च म इन्द्रवायवश्च मे मैत्रावरुणश्च वाश्विनश्च मे प्रतिप्रस्थानश्च मे शुक्रश्च मे बन्धे च महाग्रजनश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे ऋभवश्च मे वैश्वानरश्च मरुदग्रहाश्च मे दिग्राह्याश्च महेन्द्र वैश्वदेवश्च मे
देवायुक्तानि च मे भूतभृच्च माघवनीयश्च महाग्निध्रं च मे हविर्धानं च मे रहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वधुश्च मे स्वगानाश्च मे स्वाहा
अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे स्वयजुश्च मे दीप्र तपश्च मरुतश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोः वृष्ट्या भद्रदङ्गमे यज्ञेन कल्पेताक स्वाहा
गद्धाश्च मे वत्साश्च मे त्रिविश्च मे प्रियवी च मे पञ्चाविश्च मे पञ्चावी च मे त्रिवत्सश्च मे त्रिवत्साच मे द्विगवाच्च मे द्वियोही च मे वष्ठवाच्च मे
कल्पतामपानायज्ञेन कल्पतां ज्ञानायज्ञेन कल्पतां चक्षुर्यज्ञेन कल्पतां श्रोत्रयज्ञेन कल्पताम् आत्मायज्ञेन कल्पतां यज्ञोयज्ञेन कल्पतां स्वाहा ॐ एकादमे कृष्णश्च मे पञ्चच मे सप्त च मे नव च मे एकादश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च मे एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे षष्टिविंशतिश्च मे तदस्रश्च मे अष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे
उन्नतमस्ति सर्वं मधुरमस्ति सर्वं रुद्रमयं सर्वं शिवमयं सर्वं भगत। आप लोगों ने पिछले 11 दिनों से बड़ी निष्ठा प्रार्थना और अब मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ हमारे परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अनंत श्री योगी प्रतिनिध्य अमृतमयी वाणी से हम लोगों के लिए अमृत की वर्षा करते हैं। तो आज भी आपकी मुखारविंद से अमृत वर्षा का प्रवाह बने और हम लोग उसमें पावन हो, ऐसे आपके श्री चरणों में प्रार्थना। यथेष्टम आधा घंटा।
नमः पार्वती पतये हर महादेव।
शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंकरा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंकरा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा शंकरा राम राघव राघव राम राघव रक्षमा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा गंगाधर 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 शंकरा गंगाधर गंगाधर
We have small ones right here. Yeah. We'll do that.
1 second. Hi, my name is Smriti Suresh, and I'm here at Atirudram. It's been going on for 11 days. People have come together to volunteer, and it just shows great determination and great cooperation. And I just feel lucky to be here because it's a great atmosphere, and I'm getting a lot of, I'm learning a lot of knowledge. I'm getting a lot of knowledge, and I'm learning a lot. So this has been a great experience for me, and I hope to see this happen more often. Do you want to say anything else?
Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om, this is Atirudram. We're all praying for world peace, and it's 11th day. We have 121 Ritwiks and priests from all over the country, and we have specific priests from Hyderabad and various parts of India, and they are all here to do the Atirudram for world peace. This whole event is done by volunteers. This is undertaking a huge undertaking of volunteers, and several of us who have the ladies beside me and the young ladies and the ladies behind me, they have been working tirelessly in the kitchen, making meals for all the Ritwiks. Right from the morning, at the crack of dawn till dusk, we have been serving all the priests. They've been cooking, and they'll give you their synopsis. May I hand it? Yeah.
Hey, I'm Chitra Suresh. I've been volunteering in this temple for a long time, and this is one of very auspicious thing is happening, and it's a one in lifetime. And very fortunate to attend this one. Apparently this Kartikeya Masam is the very auspicious month for Shiva also, and that's why this Atirudram is happening. And we are plenty of volunteers who are helping in different stations. And I have been helping in in the kitchen, serving the priests, and this is one of the most important thing with the Ritviks and the priests, where we're all supposed to serve them food and everything, like in olden days in India. So they're all eating their lunch in their banana leaves, like a traditional way. So I'm happy to be part of that, and whatever I could help anyway. And I've been trying to do that one, and it is so wonderful to see all the people and the communities coming together and doing all this. And we look forward to do more like this. Thank you.
Jayaraman.
I'm Pooja, and I live in Kennesaw, Georgia, and I've been attending this function. This is the Atirudra that is celebrated here in Atlanta. It's an 11-day function, and we as a family are part of this, and very honored to be a part of this. This is a function where they do the Rudra Homam 11 times every day, 11 days by 121 Ritviks. So this is a grand occasion which is done during the Kartik Masa, and we are really honored to be a part of this. We are attending this as a family. Yeah, this is for Lord Shiva, and we are doing it for world peace and for betterment of the humanity, basically. It's for everybody. We don't pray for one particular thing, it's for the betterment of the entire community. No, the chanting is done, Rudra Homam is done. Each Rudra takes about at least 20 minutes to say, and it's said 11 times every day for 11 days. Thank you.
Welcome to the Purnahuti ceremonies. We have successfully come to the conclusion of Saptagange Sahita Atirudra Mahayagna. The BOT and Executive Committee of the Hindu Temple of Atlanta is deeply appreciative of your presence here. Please enjoy the Purnahuti ceremony.
Devotees, all the custom sponsors, we have a desk in front of the Shiva temple will be mailed to you very soon. Thank you.
On behalf of the Puja Committee of Hindu Temple of Atlanta, I appreciate all your support and really appreciate for you being present here. It's the occasion for all of us, and let's enjoy the final moments of the Shatachandi Sahita Atirudra Mahayagni. Thank you.
Welcome to all the TV viewers. You are right now witnessing in the background the Ritviks getting ready for Purnahuti. This is the culmination of the 11-day Atirudra Mahayagna. During these 11 days, 121 Ritviks have chanted Sri Rudram 14,641 times. Every day they do what is called Maharudram, that is 11 times 11 times 11, and they do it for 11 days. Atirudram is a yajna, is a mahayajna. It takes place only a few times a year across the world. And the purpose of Atirudram is to acknowledge God's omnipresence, God's compassion, our commitment to God, and our prayers to ask God's power in clearing us of our own internal enemies, namely our desires, our angers, our enmities. We want to rid of all that so that we can pray to God for union with God is ultimate goal, okay, moksha. So this is Atirudram. It takes an enormous amount of effort. This is the 25th year of Hindu Temple of Atlanta. This is the culmination of the first 25 years of our temple. We consider this as the pinnacle event of the first 25 years. We think the next 25 years, this is the type of some community spiritual awakening and awareness that we want to create here. Dr. Krishna Mohan is the coordinator of the Atirudram. It took 2 years of our effort to make this happen. Dr. P. Bhimeswara Rao is the president of the temple. The effort started during Narendra Reddy Garu's presidency in 2014. Sri Arvind Goli is the chairman of the Puja Committee. But the amount of volunteers that spent here, about 1 year, several hundreds of them. We hosted the Ritviks. People came from India. People came from United States. Several volunteers participated. And there were Vedic scholars led by Sri Narendra Kapre, who is a scholar of highest scholarship, who is the Brahma of this Atirudra Mahayajna. Best wishes to all of you.
Namaskaram. My name is Sairam Surapaneni. I am the Internal Audit Committee Chair and Food Committee in charge. And we are very, very grateful to have the Vedic scholars around us, about 120 priests, and about 120 Ritviks and 45 priests coming from across the world and doing the pujas here. And Atirudram is a very powerful yajna for Lord Shiva, and we have been doing this for all the 11 days. And all 11 days, we do have one yajnam. One of the yajnams, every day we did one yajnam. Starting from Ganapati Homam, Navagraha Homam, Durga Lakshmi and Saraswati Homam, Manusukta Sudarshan Dhanvantri Homam, Saura Aruna Homam, Pavanama Sri Sukta Purusha Sukta Homam, Subramanya Kala Sarpa Kala Bhairava Homam, Agrahane Homam, Putra Kamestri Yogam, Saubhagya Homam. And this is the final day. We are actually, we have been hundreds of volunteers have been working for a long, and all the planning has been done for the last 1.5 years. And now we are come to the final day, and it has been very, very nice. And we are doing this for the safety and goodness and welfare of the whole entire world, and particularly for the Hindu community. Thank you very much. Har Har Mahadeva, Sambho Sankara, Namo Namaha.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
I'm Anu Nathan.
I'm Padma Ralapalli.
And we are so happy to report the other activities in this massive Atirudra Yagnam, the food preparation activities, and also the activities for the children also. The Hindu Temple of Atlanta also has a beautiful Balavihar program. And so as part of the Atirudra Yagnam, the Balavihar children participated in chanting the Shiva slokams. So they came and participated that. And also a group from Chicago, they are called Vidya Kutiram. They came in, and a group of 9 volunteers, they drove here, and then they set up beautiful activities like Play-Doh, making Ganeshas, Shivalingams, and then also they made malas. Every child made a mala and then came in a procession and then presented to the Kalasams. So the children also were made part of the Yagnam, and it has been, the entire 11 days has been a huge, huge festival here for our community.
And I'm Padma Ralapalli, and as far as the food is concerned, the general kitchen I think served about 5,000 to 6,000 people over these 11 days. Non-stop food and free food for all the devotees over here, but also specific mention for the priests who came and the Ritviks who were here. They had special food arrangements for them for all 11 days, and volunteers worked tirelessly to make a variety of preparations for them. And they were all served very traditional way, in the South Indian traditional way, and they ate on banana leaves every single day and had 3 meals a day. And we got some great reviews from them, and they were very happy with all the food arrangements. So overall,
and the women were also dressed traditionally in a Madisar way, and they were serving them. So 9 yards, typical 9 yards, and everybody came dressed. And I can actually, if we see someone, we can even show you too. Yeah,
that's right. But overall, a wonderful experience, and I think we are all very fortunate to be here in Atlanta to experience this Rudram.
Thank you. Jai Jai Shankar Hare. Jai Jai Shankar.
Jai Jai Shankar Hare Hare Shankar, Jai Jai Shankar Hare Hare Shankar, Jai Jai Shankar Hare Hare Shankar.
Please, when the Archana starts, please have some space for the liquids. They are going to be at the front of the sanction corridor. Please give some space for the liquids. After that, you can sit behind the liquids. Thank you very much.
Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Parvati Pade everybody Hara Parvati Pade Pranamami Sada Shivalingam